Hello and welcome. Our project title is GeoSmart AI, a chain-of-thought large language model for intelligent geoprocessing in complex spatial analysis. We are group number 10. Geospatial analysis plays an important role in many real-world domains such as urban planning, transportation optimization, environmental monitoring, disaster management, and infrastructure development. Geographic Information Systems, commonly known as GIS, help us analyze spatial data and generate meaningful insights for decision-making. However, traditional GIS tools are complex and require technical expertise to operate. Users must manually select datasets, configure coordinate systems, choose appropriate analysis tools, and execute multiple processing steps in the correct sequence. Even a practical task such as identifying the best locations to set up electric vehicle charging stations requires multiple steps. These steps may include analyzing road networks, population density, accessibility, distance from important locations, and availability of existing charging infrastructure. Performing this analysis manually requires knowledge of multiple GIS tools and significant time. Small errors in selecting parameters or datasets can lead to incorrect decisions. Different analysts may also follow different workflows, which reduces consistency and reproducibility. Therefore, there is a need for an intelligent system that simplifies spatial analysis and allows users to perform complex geoprocessing tasks using simple, natural language. To solve this problem, we developed GeoSmart AI, an intelligent system that combines large language models with geospatial processing tools. Let's see how to use this.
Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to use GeoSmart AI to perform geospatial analysis. This tool makes it easier to analyze geographic data and find optimal sites without needing technical expertise. I'll break this down into 3 easy steps. First up, we'll start by initiating the Geospatial Analysis app. To select the area of interest, start typing your location in the search bar here. Continue typing the full location name to get more specific results. We'll use Navi Mumbai for this example. Click on the location suggestion that matches your area of interest. The map automatically zooms to show your selected area, giving you the geographic context for your analysis. You have now defined your area of interest on the map. Let's go to the next step, which is to submit the natural language prompt. To submit the natural language prompt, type your analysis request in this chat box. You'll want to be specific about what you're looking for and include relevant criteria like proximity to major roads. Click the Send button to submit your request and let the AI process your geospatial analysis. Let's go to the next step, which is to review and approve the workflow plan that the AI has generated for your analysis. To review the workflow plan, let's wait as GeoSmart AI processes your request. You'll see it working through several stages. First, resolving your location boundaries. Then, generating a customized workflow plan based on your prompt. And finally, fetching the necessary elevation data from Google Earth Engine. The workflow plan review window appears, showing you exactly what analysis steps the AI has planned. Take a moment to scroll through and review each proposed step to understand how it will find optimal EV charging locations. Once you're satisfied with the workflow plan, click this button to approve and start the analysis. You have reviewed and approved the workflow plan. Let's go to next step, which is to visualize the initial analysis results. The AI workflow is now running, and you'll see a series of loading messages showing the analysis pipeline in action. Watch as it loads the road network, processes the geometry, and downloads elevation data. This is GeoSmart AI working through each step of the complex geospatial analysis automatically. Here, we can see the initial results appearing on the map with the suitability overlay and green dots marking the optimal charging station locations. The platform has identified the most promising sites based on our criteria. Pan around the map to explore all the suggested locations and get a better view of how the AI has distributed the optimal sites across your area of interest. Let's go to the next step, which is to request a deep analysis for an optimal site. To request a deep analysis for an optimal site, click the Deep Analysis button next to the top-rated location in the results panel. You've now requested the deep analysis for your optimal site. Let's go to next step, which is to review the detailed site report that GeoSmart AI has generated. To review the detailed site report, we'll wait for the deep analysis to complete. You can see the AI is now processing our request, encoding the spatial query, and generating a comprehensive workflow using the language model. Once the analysis finishes, the detailed site report appears in this left panel. Scroll through here to explore all the insights and data that GeoSmart AI has compiled for your selected location. You've now reviewed the detailed site report with all the key metrics and analysis data. Let's go to the next step, which is to interact with the final map results. To get a closer look at the optimal locations, zoom in on the map using your mouse wheel or the zoom controls. Click on any of these green dots to see the detailed information for that specific optimal site. The pop-up displays the site's ranking and suitability score, giving you instant access to key performance metrics for each location.